Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Bouncy devlog. Today I want to share to you the fact that the game's going to be releasing this week. Maybe even out by the time this video is out as well. However, there's a few things I want to go over that I have updated and changed since the last time you've seen any footage of Bouncy Castle. And also, I want to talk to you about the future plans for the game. Let me start this video with the fact though, the characters now jiggle. They move. Because I realized when I was watching over my trailer, only the default Paul was the one that would actually jiggle. So immediately I went back, fixed all that, and here we have it. As you can see, jiggle in all its glory. Now, when it came to the store page, I realized the art that I made wasn't great. It was kind of terrible, to be honest. So I got a friend of mine to redo it all. She created a bunch of new cover capsules, new art pieces, and with all the art that she gave me, I redone it to fit the theme. It looks much nicer now and way more welcoming than what I had previously. The colors don't clash as much, and overall, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Now, while I was working on that new art and getting it all set up with my friend, I also worked on new cosmetics. Finished all the achievements, and we have a total of 29 achievements we have for Bouncy Castle. These achievements are tied to the unlock system, which, of course, if you know about, is related to opening prizes from a gumball machine. So, yeah, can't wait to see what you get up to with that. While I spent time furthering the cosmetics, I was also working on making the user interface a little bit more appealing. The main screen was a bit messy. The start menu and the join menu were in two separate areas, and it didn't feel right. So what I did was I went back, removed the whole start and play and the join, and instead turned them into one menu. So you can start a game, you can select the mode, you can select the map, and then you can also join from that same screen rather than having to go back out of the menu to find another menu. Instead, they both are in the same menu contained with each other, which makes it much nicer to actually play the game. Now, along with all that, the current release date for Bouncy Castle is Friday the 28th of November. You heard it here. That is the plan. It's coming out this month, and with that, it's going to contain 4 free-for-all maps, 2 King of the Slide maps. It will also contain 4 parkour maps, and also the Endless Parkour. I have future game modes in mind, and I have future maps in mind. However, I want your suggestions down below on what should be added next. And who knows, if you have a really good map idea, it might be the next one to be implemented. So yeah, do let me know. Either way, when it comes to releasing the game, the first week will probably be all hands on deck fixing bugs, fixing issues that may crop up, and of course, planning what content should come next. I have a small roadmap ready, but if anything changes, I will keep you updated and let you know. I forgot to mention that the entire art style of the game has been completely reworked from the ground up. I have changed the toon style to be a lot more shaded. The previous version was mainly just an outline, which was a bit bland. I wasn't too happy with it. So I went out of my way and got a new plugin. I paid for this one. That allowed me to tweak the toon shading much more effectively, working on outlines and also the actual color tones of the game. It pops a lot more now, and I feel after getting this change in, it fits the game a lot more and has it in a better state than originally. Once the game releases, I better see all of yous smashing your way to victory. I hope every single one of yous have a blast, and maybe a few yous complete the parkour. Of course, who doesn't want King Paul for themselves? Just to flex on everyone else in the lobby. By the way, if you're looking to beat my personal best, it is 25 minutes on the clock for the parkour. By the time this video is out, Bouncy Castle is more than likely after releasing, so get out there and have some fun. And I'll see you in the next one.